Hi guys, this is Ying Hui, APAC Presales Engineer. Today I'd like to provide an overview of UTAP HDMI and UTAP SDI and show how to stream with UTAP in Zoom and OBS Studio with high reliability. First of all, this is UTAP HDMI and this is UTAP SDI. UTAP HDMI is used to capture video and audio via its built-in HDMI input, whereas UTAP SDI is used to capture video and audio via its built-in SDI input, 3G SDI input, with a SDI loop out. They are both USB 3.0 bus-powered video and audio capture device and support up to 1080p 60. Both UTAP are very useful products for different solutions. We can stream with UTAP in a wide range of free supported applications for your live event, webcasting, streaming, online meeting solution, presentation, and more, with the ability to bring in a higher quality input source across HDMI or 3G SDI from an external camera instead of using the built-in webcam within your computer. It uses USB video class driver. Any software that supports USB webcam will be able to support UTAP on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux operating systems. Supported applications or software are like Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams, OBS Studio, and more, as you can see here. And as for today, I will use OBS and Zoom for demo purpose. On the other hand, as both UTAP are USB bus powered products, they provide a high reliable plug-and-play solution. So all we need to do is to connect the UTAP directly to your computer with the provided USB cable. So this is the one. And once connected, the UTAP can be used immediately without the need to install any additional drivers and no power adapter required. You can connect and disconnect either of the UTAP from the computer repeatedly, but still able to achieve a high performance result. And as you can see, both are really compact, silent. You can toast them in your bag or pocket and carry anywhere with you. So now it's time for demo. Let me show you how to set up UTAP HDMI in Zoom first. First of all, patch the HDMI input source to the UTAP. Then connect the UTAP to your computer with the provided USB 3.0 cable. So now I'm connecting to my computer, and once you are done, you can now check the status of the UTAP. It is now powered through the USB 3.0 port without any power adapter. So now let's go to Zoom. After starting or joining a meeting, you will see a camera and microphone icon at the bottom left of the Zoom interface. Simply click the up arrow on the right of the camera icon, and then you can select UTAP as the preferred camera source. So the name of the UTAP will be UTAP, and this is the serial number of the UTAP HDMI. And if you would like to use the audio source from the UTAP as well, click the up arrow on the right side of the microphone icon and select UTAP UT audio as the preferred audio source. And then you just have to start the video and unmute your mic. So now you can see that I'm using UTAP HDMI to capture this close shot scene to Zoom as my input camera source. So that's all you need to do for Zoom. As for UTAP SDI, just repeat the same process. So now I'm going to stop the video and mute the mic. So next, I'm going to show you how to set up UTAP in OBS Studio. So now I'm using UTAP SDI. So first of all, connect the SDI input to UTAP SDI. And what I'm going to do next is to disconnect UTAP HDMI and connect UTAP SDI to the computer with the same USB cable. Of course, this is just for demo purpose only. In fact, whichever UTAP that you purchase, every single one will always come with a USB cable, regardless of UTAP HDMI or UTAP SDI. And next, let's navigate to OBS. To use the UTab in OBS, first click the plus icon in the sources panel to add a new video capture device. You can choose to create a new capture device or add an existing device. I'm going to create a new one and select OK. You will then be able to select UTab as your preferred device. Again, the name is UTab, and this is the serial number of the UTab. So to differentiate the UTab, we can actually check the serial number behind the UTab. At the back of the UTab, there's a sticker here. So this is the one. So to make sure that we are actually selecting the right UTab HDMI or UTab SDI to use. So now just select UTab, and you can actually configure the resolution and select OK. And there you go. And next, to add the UTab as an audio input capture, similarly just click the plus icon in the sources panel and select audio input capture. It's the same thing, you will be able to choose to create a new capture device or add an existing one. Then select OK. And you will then be able to select UTab, which is this UT audio, as your audio input source. And select OK. And there you go. So that's all you need to do for OBS Studio. You just have to repeat the same step for UTab HDMI. So there are all the main benefits of UTab and how we can set up them in these applications with just a few steps. To learn more about the product, feel free to refer to the official website of both UTabs. You can also refer to the software compatibility chart to find out which software the UTab HDMI and UTab SDI support.